Hi, and thank you for allowing us to see this video. My name is Alex, and I'm going to be showing you a few tips on how, by improving your website, you can get more customers, outrank your competition, and of course, get more exposure on Google. So, first things first, I have your website below here, and one of the things that I see you really need as soon as possible is to add more relevant content. And by content, I'm not just saying about images, but more wording. More words. If you have this content ad, it has to be relevant. It has to include the keywords that you want to be found for, so you can start seeing results that really gonna improve your business. Same thing with the images. Let's see. Um, Probably this is not optimized, and I'll show you how. Um, right over here. This name should be something relevant as something about remodeling New Jersey or contractor New Jersey, something like that. And I'm pretty sure all these images probably are the same way. So improving images also help a lot. Adding more relevant content. And this also applies to the other page that you have over here. For example, kitchen. Let's see over here. And yes, you need definitely more content over here. So you have not that many words over here. So definitely that will help. Let me show you the back end of your website. You can see that you're being found for 32 keywords. You have 312 backlinks. And what are backlinks? Backlinks are other sites that are mentioned in your website, and they will include your name so you can be found on Google more easily. And this will be reflected in this number over here. But for this amount of backlinks, this should be starting at least on one. So think about a popularity contest. The more people or the better people that talks about you, um, you're gonna get noticed. Um, so something really weird here that this is not a taking effect. It's probably bad quality spammy links, and it's not helping your website at all. Let's take a look here on the organic keywords, and of course your name, your ranking over there, but you see to have all these various bathroom remodeling, Freehold, New Jersey. 20 searches a month, and you're on the second page, so you not really visits to your website. Um, Same thing over here, 30 searches a month. On the second page, you seem to be climbing little by little. But also keep an eye on what I showed you before. Nothing really relevant here. Legacy services. Let's take a look here. Let's go for kitchen contractor, and I'll show you why. So for this keyword, for example, NJ Kitchen Contractor, you're gonna see here the map section. And again, regardless of your location, you can definitely be here covering these areas. With Hotel New Jersey, it could be Tri-State, it can be specific cities as well. This will definitely help. And then you got your organic results. We got these guys from Magnolia, from Remodeling on number one. This is another, it's like a directory. Then you got these guys in the kitchen, sandbath.com. But let's see why this guy is ranking number one. And you can see that this is a sub page. So this is probably one of the reasons they have relevant content over here. Um, Targeting specific keywords. They have more information over here, so you can see that this is really helping. And whoever is doing this for them definitely knows what they're doing, um, and a lot of information. If you look at the backend for that specific page, you can see that it's very popular. If that makes sense, even though they have only 73 backlinks to this, that means that the backlinks are doing just enough to help the content to rank for number one for that specific keyword. Let's get a good keywords that they target over here. Kitchen remodelers, 450 searches a month. And they're ranking number one. If we're being number one, they're getting 94 visits a month. This one that we were doing, NJ Kitchen Contractor. Like I was telling you, 100 searches a month. They're ranking number one. And for being ranking number one, they're getting 22 visits to their website. So I don't want to take too much of your time, but just to recap this really quick, content has to be improved, making sure that you got the keywords that you need to be found for. Improving the images, like I just showed you before, you have to change the name so they can be found as relevant content. And if you are doing backlinks, or somebody was doing it for you, make sure that they have to be good quality, because whatever you have here is not really helping at all. Once again, my name is Alex. If you have any questions, please let us know, and I hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.